Hey there, quick quality review on this Probrico doorknob. This is a privacy lock set with a black finish. As you can see, it has a little bit of sheen, not too glossy. It's also not flat. Having a little bit of sheen, which is the shininess on it, is gonna make it more cleanable and durable. It is a privacy lock set. So as you see here, you've got your simple twist action to lock and unlock the door. On the back side here, you have an open slot for locking and unlocking. You could use a quarter, the end of a key, etc. So you don't have to have any special kind of key or device to open up the door. These are gonna come packaged nicely in a nice box, no excessive packaging, and everything is well protected. This came in a nice sleeve of bubble wrap, so no scratches or dings or anything like that. You will notice on the strike plate and latch plate, they do come with a nice protective piece of plastic that is stuck on. So again, very important to get these without any scratches or anything like that. So very good finish on these, well protected. Same thing for the latch strike. You can see here, we peel that off. Everything looks really nice. One thing to note, these are square corners. They are not radius corners on either plate, so keep that in mind. Installation process is pretty simple. This is how it comes out of the box. Simply pull it apart, then your screws to fasten everything, your bolts I should say, to fasten everything together are already installed on here. So you'll simply twist those out. So you don't have to worry about the bolts being locked, and you also know that nothing is going to be cross-threaded because they install these in advance before they send it to you. On the latch, sometimes for exterior doors, you have a 2 3/4 back set. Interior doors are usually 2 3/8. With this, you have the ability to select between either back set. It's very easy to slide that back and forth. Standard installation process, you'll slide your latch into place and then put everything together. Very easy to get everything together. As you can see, I don't have this installed on the door, but everything functions very easily. Twist there. I'd say this is a nice mid-range lock set. Certainly not the highest quality, but it's gonna be a good overall value. If I had to criticize one thing with this lock set, it would simply be the installation method. Whenever you have this design, you have to hand tighten the bolts into place until you get them almost all the way in, and then you can access with a screwdriver, but not a deal breaker. Overall, decent quality lock set, not a bad function at all. Good finish, good protection in the packaging. If I had to criticize anything, the way you have to install the bolts, you have to hand tighten them most of the way before you can access with a screwdriver. That can take a little while to install, but not a big deal overall. But this is what you get with this Probrico set. Black finish, nice, good look, good value overall.